How to log someone out of your Snapchat account. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Your camera will open up. Now click on the Bitmoji icon given at the top left. Once you're in the profile page, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now here you're going to find different option. Click on the option two-factor authentication. Firstly, you'll need to enable this feature, two-factor authentication, to be able to log someone out of your Snapchat account. Once you do that, you'll get the option of forget devices. You have to click on it. And under that, you're going to find the list of the devices where your Snapchat account is logged in. You have to select the device that you want to log out from. Just click on it and select the option of logout. And with that, you'll be logged out of that device. So this way you are able to log someone out of your Snapchat account. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.